Learning. I am Gitika Roy. Today we are going to do the third chapter of 6th standard, that is Fiber to Fabric. Okay, let's start. Fiber to Fabric. So in this chapter we are going to do the study of the cloth materials which we wear in daily basis. Okay, we are going to study on the cloths, the types of cloths, what is the function of the different types of cloths, what are the varieties of cloths, the history of clothing materials. Okay, all this we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, so first of all, what is fiber? Fiber is nothing but a thread. Okay, and thread, when we roll it or spin it, we can make a fabric. Fabric is nothing but the cloth which we wear. Okay, let me ask a question. Have you ever asked yourself why we should wear cotton in summer whereas wool in winter? So let me answer it. We should wear cotton in summer because cotton reflects the lights. It keeps us cool, keep our body cool, whereas the wool absorbs the light and it keeps warm to the body. Thus, we use cotton in summer whereas wool in winter. Okay, so there are varieties of fabrics present in our nature. So we're going to study on that. So let's begin. So we're going to cover the first topic. Okay, these are few topics. There are 7 major topics. Those are variety of fabrics. Variety of fabrics, there are 4 major varieties: cotton fabric, silk fabric, wool and synthetic. Okay, we're going to learn about this 4 fabrics. Next is define fiber. We're going to know what is fiber. Okay, that define fiber, we're going to know what is fiber. Next is types of fiber. Basically we're going to know about 2 types of fiber: natural and synthetic. Okay, some plants fiber like jute and cotton. Here we can see. Next is spinning of cotton yarn. The spinning of cotton one is new topic for us, but we're going to learn it here. Okay, next, yarn to fabric. So fabric is nothing but cloths. So how yarn is converted to cloth, we're going to know. The process from yarn to cloth, we have 2 different processes. Those are called weaving and knitting. We can see here. Next, history of clothing material. History of clothing material, we're going to learn about the history, how our clothes enter to human being, how human being introduced themselves to clothes, how they started to cover themselves. Okay, in the last topic we're going to cover that. Okay, so let's begin with our first topic. Okay, first topic is variety in fabrics. We already read there are 4 major varieties of fabrics. Those are cotton, silk, wool and synthetic. Okay, these are the 4 major fabrics. There are many varieties of fabrics are there, but basically we're going to cover these main topics. Okay, cotton, silk, wool and synthetic. Remember, this is very important question. This is very important topic. Okay, next, what is cotton fabric? Cotton fabric, we can see we used to wear in summer. Okay, it will be smooth and thin. It will be so softy that it will makes our body cool. Okay, in summer we used to wear cotton. So how this cotton fabric is made up of? They are made up by cotton balls. Okay, we can see here cotton balls. These are cotton balls. So cotton fabrics are made from cotton balls. Okay, next is silk. Silk, we can see silk sari. Okay, Kanchipuram silk sari. So there are varieties of silk materials, silk garments, silk dresses which we wear in daily basis. So silk is a smooth and shining material fabric which we used to wear in traditions or any festivals. Okay, so silk is very cool and very expensive fabric. Okay, silk is made by silkworm. Have you saw this worms in the leaves. Have you ever saw these worms in the leaves? You can see in the leaves, we can see the silkworm. Okay, so from the silkworm we used to get silk fibers. These are called silk fiber. The thready substance we can see, white color substance here. Okay, these are silk fibers. Silk fibers are nothing but like silk fibers, they are converted to silk fabrics. So there are varieties of steps are there. So first of all, we're going to learn the basics. So next we're going to know how they are formed, how they are obtained from silkworm to silk fabric. Okay, so next wool is nothing but wool we used to wear in winter season. Majority wool is made from the animals hair, for like sheep. Okay, sheep and varieties of animals are there. From that hair is extracted from the animals and wool is made. Okay, next is synthetic. Synthetic is also a smoothie and soft material fabrics. These are made by human. Remember this: cotton, silk, wool. These are all natural fibers. Okay, natural fabrics. Whereas synthetic fabrics are human made. They are artificially made by human. They are synthetic fibers. ठीक है, synthetic fabrics are made by human. Okay, so these are some fabrics which we use in our daily basis. So there are varieties of fabrics are there, varieties of purpose are there. Cotton for summer, silk for any traditional occasion, wool for winter, synthetic for cheap and it will be beautiful for wearing. So there are different purpose of the fabrics in our daily basis. So next is going to know about the fiber. What is fiber? What is fiber made by? So fiber is nothing but it is a thread. Okay, it is a thread or a filament from which a vegetable, tissue, mineral substance or a textile is formed. Okay, we can see the thread. Okay, fiber is in simple form. When we saw a mother when they wanted to stitch, we can see the needle and thread. Okay, needle and thread. The thread, that is a fiber. Okay, a single thread is a fiber. Okay, so thread is a fiber and we can see in this picture, okay, this thin thread, that is a fiber. So from fiber, yarn is spun, yarn is formed. From fiber, yarn is formed. Yarn is nothing but the yarn are made up of thin strands called fibers. Okay, yarns are nothing but these are strands of fibers. A thin fiber is spun in, they're rolled into balls form, like we can see here. We can see the thin fiber, a single fiber is spun and they formed a bundle. Those are called yarns. Okay, the process of making yarn from fibers is spinning. The process of making yarn, okay, making yarn from fiber is called spinning. We spin means circling, means we rotate it. We spin it, the fiber we used to spin and form a ball, like okay, though that is known as spinning process. Spinning process is nothing but the making yarn from the fiber. Okay, so it's simple. Fiber is formed to yarn and yarn to fabric. Fabric next is stitched to tailor and we used to wear that. Okay, this is simple. Fiber to yarn, yarn to fabric. Fabric is nothing but the cloths, the materials, the materials which we used to transport to the stitch tailor. They used to cut and stitch.